You everyone, what's up? So your Jamaican friend is here again to react to another brand new track by Yuval Raphael. So this song is called New Day Will Rise. So I know this female will kill this. I know she will. Because trust me, this female is such a potential artist. She's such an incredible artist. In fact, everyone that came on Eurovision that represents Israel, they are always dominating. They are always dropping bombers on the topic they've sung on. It's always realistic. It's always something like a movie. So I am excited for this song. Really excited because I love you, Raphael, so much. She's such a phenomenon. So with this being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what story she have to say here. Peace.
And even if you say,
Hey, this woman have a golden voice. Everything that this woman sings, it's pure flames. It's highly flammable. Her stories are always magnificent. I do not know how to get myself together when I heard her stories, but trust me, it always get a little bit emotional, if you all understand.
goodbye, you'll never go away. You are the rainbow in my sky, my colors in the gray, my only wish upon a star.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, she's a very good artist. Good is a simple word, it's a simpleton. She's an outlandish artist. She deserves to win. Bro, Israel deserves to win this. You know why? Because such thing went down in October last year, where so much people lost their lives because of a bomb attack. And Israel have been putting out the work. Everything they have done, it's been work, non-stop work. And their work always come forth on top, bro. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Israel should have won, man. And I think Israel should win this one as well.
Sunshine in the day, the only song that my piano ever plays. And even if you say goodbye, you'll always be around.
Oh my god, guys. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I love her song so much, bro. I love her vibe so much. I love her vibe so much, bro.
To lift me up and take me high, keep my feet close to the ground. Are you proud of me tonight? Dreams are coming true.
Yuval, I'm so proud of you. Your dreams are so coming through at this time. Your dreams are so coming through, baby, and I love your song so much. You won't even understand how powerful and impactful your song is. Your songs are very amazing.
I choose the light, nothing to lose if I lose you. New day will rise, life will go on. Everyone cries, don't cry alone. Darkness will fade.
You know what I'm crying about? Everyone is venting up until this very day. The tragic story can't get a proper ending. So much people, so much innocence lost their precious lives because of some bullshit, bro. Last year Eurovision, there was this woman, right? And she came by and she sing Hurricane, bro. And that music was so pure. It is coming from her heart. It is coming from the fans. It is coming from the people. And here's someone again from Israel venting again.
All the pain will go by, but we will stay, even if you say goodbye.
Oh my god. Guys, I can't even be this excited. Such a beautiful music. Such a beautiful music. And it's hard for someone to just die like that without even any form of being a person to return to your home. You know, you will not see that person again. You cannot get justice because of some bullshit, bro. She is such an incredible artist. She is such an incredible artist.
Mon ciel, dans mon ciel bleu, mes couleurs dans le cri, l'amour se souhaite sous un ciel tard, un rayon de ma journée, la seule chanson.
Oh my god! Yo, Yuval, you are such a superb individual. Your music is detailed. Your music has a life in it. Your music will live on. In fact, Israelites' music will live on. Nothing can stop this music. Nothing can stop her or anyone who is representing Israel, who are going to be a participant, who are already a participant in the Eurovision contest or any competition that they went in. No one can stop them, bro. Nobody.
Comme un piano peut jouer, new day will rise, life will go on, everyone cry.
It is so sad. It is so sad, bro. It's so sad when she I'm only in Jamaica. And I could feel her pain, bro. You could feel her pain, dog. There's so much pain. Then a beautiful smile, bro. There's so much pain when everyone smile here. Oh my goodness, bro. Israel deserves better, man. Israel deserves better. I ain't gonna lie. Israel deserves better. It shouldn't be this sad, bro. It shouldn't be this depressing. It should be a moment of joy. It should be a moment of peace. It should be a moment of being happy. This is too much.
Don't cry alone. Darkness will fade. All the pain will go by, but we will stay.
What did she meant when she says, "Don't cry alone. Darkness will rise"? We have to vent, especially with things that we can't control, bro. We have to vent.
But if you say, yeah, take my eyes, life will go on, everyone cries, don't cry alone, darkness will fade, all the pain will go by, but you will stay, the love of my life.
Oh my goodness, bro. I do not know. I do not know how does one came up with such extraordinary story. I can't tell, but every story is been inspired by the surrounding, by what others told them, coming from other people's lives. So probably this is a living experience. And yes, it's a living experience. And this is the reason why the music is so deeply written and deeply displayed with such love, with such tender care, with such awesomeness. Everyone here looks very good. Everyone here seems so amazingly happy. Oh my! Oh my god, yo, this is giving me a nostalgia. This is giving me a feeling. This is giving me a memory that brings back, right? I remember Elon Golden, right? That woman. I think she did a video similar to this where she's standing in inside of a place or on a grassy area where the background of her music video is dark and the grass have a little bit of light. That is to show us that the grass is always green. They are always flourishing, and anything in the back will always stay there, right? They are always making sure that their style, everything is being flourished. New day will rise. Everyone cries, don't cry alone. Darkness will fade. Blah, blah, blah. Superb! Her voice is such a magnificence. I think they deserves 24 points from out of 12. This is what I love. This is what I crave for. Substantial music. A life in music. Wow. Wow. Such a beautiful video, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Wonderful sunset as well. The pain will go by, but we will stay. Even if you say goodbye. Whoa. I'm sorry. Everything that went down at that time. I'm so sorry. Israel, I love you so much. I love you all so much. You guys don't even understand the love I have for you all Israelites. You guys are such a light of the world. You guys made such changes back in the days, way back in the days. And up until this very day, I can see the light is being shed here, right? Such a powerful country. Such a country with such great diligence. Wow. Wow. I ain't gonna lie, I hope everyone in Israel get the justice that they deserve, because justice should be served, right? And sometimes it's very tragic that some things happen where no one gives up about it and it is just slide underneath the mat, bro. But Israelites, you all need justice for this. I ain't gonna lie. New day will rise. Wow. Whoa. That was a bittersweet moment. That was a bittersweet moment. And I love the song. Elan Golan and also Yuval, Raphael, you guys are such great representative of your country, and you should keep up the good work. Keep on changing other lives. Keep on making things as it should. And I love you all so much from Jamaica. It is a very huge, humongous love I have for you all. So thanks for watching. And please stay tuned, people. Subscribe if you guys like my reaction. It's just me, basically. I'm here to vent because, it's been a while I haven't vent for, anyone. When it comes down to this Eurovision contest, I'm always happy, excited, but, there are certain things that should take place at certain time. All right. So I'll see you all around.